place is wonderful. She's good at drums.
But she's totally out of control, Pilu.
Wow! An electric guitar.
My guitar! Saved by a hair.
Woo! This cot is so soft. A little push and the wheel of fortune turns.
At this rate, we'll be hairless soon. This is a catastrophe.
Buffy Cats, we have to find a way to ward off this human. Any ideas?
What do you mean by ward off?
I mean, keep us safe from...
I just want to play with you. Just be your friend.
She understands us.
Did I say something wrong? Hello there, Buffy Cats.
Isotta! Hey, Isotta! We're getting ready to welcome...
Granny Pina just came back from Japan, and her suitcase is too heavy. Lend me a paw, please. Hi, Granny.
Oh, that's so kind of you, Isotta. But don't worry about the suitcase.
I got it, Granny. I can't do it.
Granny's going to take a nap now. Then I'll make a nice lunch for everyone.
We can help, Isotta. What's a sweater doing out of the suitcase?
We better take it inside, milady. Wait, that's...
Huh? The sweater is alive!
Oh, I'm sorry if I scared you. My name is Sushi. And who are you?
We're the Buffy Cats. I'm Lampo, and this is Milady, Pilu, and Meatball.
Hi.
You know what, Buffy Cats? Sushi is my little globe-trotting dog.
Have you lost something?
No. It's how you greet someone in Japan. Fantastic country. You know, cats are very popular there. You would love it.
Sushi just gave me a Buffy brainstorm. Why don't we welcome Granny Pina back, Japanese style?
Great idea, milady. Leave it to me. In Japan, there are cat cafes where cats and humans relax and eat together. We will make Granny Pina a special meal.
Oh, yes, yes, yes!
We'll make sushi.
But I can't eat a friend, especially a new friend like you.
Oh, no, Meatball. Sushi is a kind of Japanese food. I named my little dog Sushi after my first trip to Japan.
And now I'm going to teach you how to make sushi. Sushi is made with rice, fish, and seaweed.
Seaweed?
Trust me, it's delicious. We'll also need a mat and some wooden sticks.
I've got canned fish.
I took the mat.
Here are my drumsticks. I'm not a sushi expert, but I don't think this stuff is gonna work.
Isotta is right. Besides, the fish must be raw and fresh.
Even better.
We need a Japanese mat, the makisu, and a pair of wooden sticks called hashi.
No problem. My whiskers will help us find everything we need.
Lampo, where can we find fresh fish?
My whiskers are telling us to go to Piperita's restaurant. Hello, Piperita. Do you have some fresh fish for us? Are you okay?
I wanted to whip up some paella for my guests, but without help, I'll never get it done.
Don't worry. The Buffy Cats are here to help.
The rice is almost ready. Now let's add the vegetables. Meat,
What a a tempting smell.
Olive oil.
Sunflower seed oil, linseed oil. Maybe it's this one?
Perfectly cooked. Thank you. Seafood.
Hello, Piperita. My furry fellows and I have arrived.
Just in time. Here's the paella.
Oh, that smells good.
Thanks for everything, Buffy Cats. We made record time. And in return for your help, here are 2 fresh fish.
Thanks, Piperita, but there's only one in here. My whiskers are telling us we have to go to the scrapyard. We'll find a mat in no time.
You were saying, Lampo?
Huh? Almost no time. What a tempting smell. Oh no! My poor paw! I'll help you, Meatball.
We're all in one piece.
But we haven't found a mat. What bad luck. What good luck! This is my 1000th lucky day! I'm happy for you, Neko. This teapot is possum! I'd even trade it for a makisu.
Neko, did you just say makisu?
Mm-hmm.
That's the mat we've been looking for.
Why do you need a makisu, milady?
To make sushi. Then Granny Pina can eat it with...
A pair of traditional wooden sticks called hashi.
Kato, can you give us some hashi?
Perform your best cat fu, and hashi will come to you.
I meant... Owie! Yeah!
Anyone else want to try?
I'll try. I'm an expert at cat food. You sure about this, Meatball?
Wow! You used your bonbon attack!
The one who's big and round, the true prize he has found.
Wow. I always said I was pretty good at cat food. Buffy Cats, we have everything we need. Let's go home.
Hi, Sushi. We're back.
I've got the hashi.
I took the makisu.
Here's the fresh fish.
Amazing! You found just about everything we need. Are you ready? Time to make sushi!
perfect. But something's missing.
That's how they serve sushi in Tokyo's best restaurants.
Kitties! Isotta! Sushi! Where are you, my darlings? What a nice smell. Is it coming from the kitchen?
Granny Pina's coming. Take your places. Hi, Granny.
Isotta, dear, what are you doing in the kitchen?
I have a super surprise for you. Welcome back. Sorry. We have a super surprise for you, Granny.
Sushi? Oh, that's so sweet. You brought a taste of Japan right to my house. Delicious. You're a really good cook, Isotta.
They deserve the credit, too. Sushi came up with the idea. Lampo, Milady, Pilu, and Meatball went into town and got all the ingredients. And then we all cooked together.
It sounds like you had some very special helpers.
Time to eat the sushi.
Eating sushi is hard.
Not for me, Lampo.
Meatball, you're great at eating sushi.
No, I'm great at eating anything.
Kitties, look, my granddaughter Isotta has come to visit.
Hello, kitties. I brought the Possum Book of World Records. Sit with me, Granny. Let's look at these cat world records together.
Oh, all right, Isotta. I love everything about cats.
Look, these kittens made the biggest ball of wool when they were playing with string.
Oh, look, Isotta. This kitten lives on the highest mountain in the world. Do you see that, kitties?
And these kittens made the tallest hamburger in the world. Yum! Granny, I'm hungry. I'd really like to have a hamburger like this one.
I don't think I have the ingredients to make a hamburger, Isotta. But we can use the phone to order one. Let's call. Hello? Fast food delivery? Can you hear me?
Ugh, what's with this interference?
Hello? I'd like to order a hamburger for my granddaughter, Isotta.
Granny Pina must have confused the walkie-talkie with the phone again.
Hello? Fast food delivery? Hey, can you hear me?
Stop talking to me!
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Very kind of you. I ordered a hamburger. Come now, Isotta. Let's go wait for the delivery person.
Enjoy the book, Buffy Cats.
Enjoy your lunch, Isotta.
Oh, how sweet! Ugh, those Buffy losers! I can't stand them! And what have we here?
My tummy's rumbling. I've never seen a hamburger so tall.
But we're the Buffy Cats, Meatball. We can do better. We can beat this Possum World Record. We're gonna make the tallest hamburger in the world.
Well, well, that's interesting. A Buffy Cat World Record? Sounds more like a chance to have some fun at their expense.
Hey, my furry fellows. What are you doing with those balloons?
Balloons? What balloons?
The ones behind your back, milady.
Those aren't balloons, Isotta. They're pool floats.
Okay. Can I come to the clubhouse and play with you?
No, we can't go in there right now.
Yeah, the clubhouse is flooded.
Yep. pipe rope.
We'll need a big pink ship to get over all that water. Pink? Thanks to the color of our pink ship, we can get over that tidal wave, sailors.
Right you are, Captain Pilu. We better go call Wrench. He's the right cat to fix that pipe.
All right, Buffy Cats.
See you later, Isotta.
Let me know when everything is okay again.
Isotta almost caught us. Time to go get her a gift.
A gift? I better follow the Buffy Cats. I want to find out what they're up to.
Hello, Ambrosio. Could you give us some advice on a gift?
Of course. Who is it for?
Let's not tell him that it's for Isotta.
Let me handle this. Granny Pina and Pepina are throwing a party for their old school teacher.
Wow. Granny Pina's teacher must be getting on in years.
Congratulations on your 404 years, Miss Teacher.
You don't look a day over 800.
I'm sure she's gonna love this sweatshirt.
You can see for yourself, Ambrosio. You're invited to the party. But remember, shh, it's a surprise.
Hey there, Buffy Cats. What are you doing around here?
Oh, we need a chocolate cake for a party, Cream.
No problem. What kind of party is it?
It's for a traditional Antarctic penguin jamboree. Chocolate for everyone!
Sounds like it's gonna be a very cold party.
Of course! Oh, and you're invited, Cream. Just be sure to wear a warm coat. And hey, don't tell anyone. It's a surprise party.
Surprise party? That's interesting.
Hey there, my furry fellows. Did you ask Wrench to fix your pipe?
Actually, no, Isotta. Wrench can't get in there, at least until we get that whale out of the clubhouse.
A whale?
Yeah, she must have come in through the pipes. We'll take care of it and get her back to sea.
Okay, my furry fellows. Call me when everything's back to normal.
Hurry, Buffy Cats! Let's bring in the cake and the gift before Isotta suspects something.
Uh-huh. So that's what those Buffy losers are up to. A party for Isotta. And I'm gonna ruin it.
Finally, it's the day of the party.
Huh? What happened? Everything's gone.
Even the gift and the cake.
Who could have done such a terrible thing? And to the cake, of all things.
Don't worry, Buffy Cats. The power of my whiskers will help us find everything. My whiskers are telling us all of our things are at the airport.
Come on, Buffy Cats.
Oh, they're in that plane.
We gotta get it before it takes off.
Come on, milady, speed up. No!
What now? What can we do?
What a catastrophe! We have no cake, and we're out of time to set up the party!
So I was early?
Cosmo!
I was in the plane waiting for the alien cat party to start, but there was no party. Then suddenly Boss showed up.
Boss?
Yeah, and he left all these things on the plane. He didn't notice me, and I heard him say, "Buffy Cats, come and get them if you can." so I left to bring them back to you.
Thanks, Cosmo. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
All set. Let's go call Isotta and show her our surprise. Whoa. Hey there, my furry fellows. I was waiting for you.
What's up, Isotta?
My friends are throwing me a birthday party. I have to go. I'll see you later.
All this hustle and bustle for nothing.
It's Isotta's birthday. She decides which party to go to.
Okay, let's go take down the garlands.
Who turned off the light?
Surprise!
Isotta!
Our furry fellows!
We figured you were throwing a party, and we decided to surprise you instead.
What about the party with your friends?
I made it up so you wouldn't suspect anything. Sorry I told a little white lie.
We owe you an apology too, Isotta. And to all of you, too.
So we told a few little white lies, but for a good cause. We wanted a real surprise party for Isotta.
And now it turned out to be a double surprise party. Thank you so much, my furry fellows. You're awesome. And now we can start the party.
And we can eat the cake. Wait, Meatball. Sorry, can you all be super quiet for 1 sec? Shh. Shh. Unfortunately, Isotta's party has been put off until tomorrow. Too bad.
I did it! I ruined the party.
Yeah, that's too bad. So let's go to the Cats in Black party at their base for now. That's gonna be really cat-tastic.
Not if I get there first. Here I am. Here comes Boss, the king of the party. Wait, where's the party?
The Cats in Black are always ready to party.
Happy birthday! Wow, it's Possum! Now make a wish. Done. This is the best birthday ever.
Subscribe to the channel.